Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic4 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet. And now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass and select Transport Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and in the end tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of this app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.